Hey everyone, welcome to April's edition of PEG Update. Our PEG sports team wrapped up our 6th season of producing the game entertainment for the USHL's Youngstown Phantoms. Our team created the videos, graphics, and handles the live production of all Phantoms home games at the Covelli Center. The PEG corporate team also produced some live events of their own. One of those live shows involved many studio and remote cameras in locations as far away as Monterrey, Mexico. The event was broadcast all across the globe. We were also busy with many other video shoots in April, capturing footage of everything from spray foam to grocery stores to light bulbs. The PEG office was the place to hang out as we welcomed guests for in-house editing sessions and also local high school students who learned more about our company and industry. In between all of the hard work, we also found some time to enjoy each other's company by taking a field trip of our own down the street to an Akron Rubber Ducks game at Canal Park. Our team got to take in a doubleheader and spend some time with one of their mascots, Homer the Pigeon. That's your monthly look at some of what we've been up to here at PEG. Thanks for watching April's edition of PEG Update.